I'm I'm professional rower.
My name is Milda. My biggest achievement is this year European champion.
Twice European champion, first place in Lucerne World Cup.
We usually wake up at 7 o'clock and at 8 o'clock we have our first training.
We do 2 or 3 practices a day. Practically no free days and it's really hard work. I think Trakai is one of the best places to row. We have all necessary facilities in one place.
Yes, I recycle. Our whole family recycle.
Recycling is very easy. You just need to put different materials to separate bins.
We're still doing that. Recycle plastic, glass and paper.
Feel the nature.